Sir,
Hi, sir. And how are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine, sir. Thank you. And what about you?
I'm also good. So, what is your name?
My name is Sagar Joshi. And what about you, sir?
My name is Aniket Singh. And where are you from?
I am from Malakpur. It is a village nearby Broad Town. And where are you from, sir?
I am from Jodhpur. So, please tell me about your family.
Okay. So in my family, there are five member, and we are a separate family. And my parents and we are three siblings live together, and we are living happy life. And what about you, sir?
Yeah. So, about my family, there are also five members, and we are two siblings. And my grandfather also lives with us. And yeah, please tell me about your hobbies.
Okay. Actually, my hobbies are reading books and learning new things. I'm fond of learning new things when I see new things. So I always go for that. And what about you? What do you like to do in your life, in your daily basis?
Well, if I talk about my daily routine, so since I'm a college student, so I have to study. But if I have to utilize my free time, then sometimes I watch infotainment content on YouTube and also read articles. And I also like bicycling. So you told me that you want to learn new things, and
Yes.
that is also a hobby of yours.
Yes.
So please tell me about only just two or three things that you have learned recently.
Recently. Okay. Actually, recently I learned uh, how to communicate with those pupils who are not that much able to get the pupil. I just learned like what is what could be the casual talk to make understand to influence the people actually. At the morning I learned it. And okay, so are you fond of reading newspaper?
Well, not directly newspapers. So, like in my daily routine, I do not get that time to free myself from my daily routine. So, yeah, I cannot afford reading newspaper on a daily basis.
Okay, so actually I want to ask a question to you. Like now there's a craze of music and songs, so do you like to listen song?
Yeah, I also do. But the thing is that I do not listen to them on a daily basis.
Okay, so according to you, like which singer is good nowadays in a pop song?
In pop culture in India, there are some rappers and there are some music artists. But locally, I know about Amive Bantai and Krishna and Raftar and yeah, Honey Singh is also there. But if I talk about international artists, then in the international music industry, there are a lot of artists like Ed Sheeran, Justin Bieber, just to name a few.
Okay, so actually I forgot to ask a thing. Like it should be asked in a starting. So what do you want to be?
I want to be an officer. And what about yours?
I also want to be an officer in a civil services. So what kind of officer are you assuming to become?
Well, I want to see myself in the defense services as an officer.
Okay. So who motivate you to go in that field?
Well, the biggest motivation was obviously my father. He was also in the army, and it was his dress that inspired me to also follow the same trail. So, if let's just talk about movies. So, do you like to watch movies?
Actually, I love to watch movies. I love to watch Hollywood movies, and most of time I watch those movies. And what about you? What kind of movies do you like to watch, Bollywood or Hollywood?
Okay, in the movie category, I believe we have the same interests, and I also love to watch Hollywood movies. As of now, I do not watch Hollywood movies, but I used to watch Hollywood movies. So yeah, uh, why do you think that Hollywood movies are better as compared to Bollywood movies?
Okay. Actually, I also used to watch Bollywood movies, but now when I started to watch Hollywood movies, so I find content there are good things. Like they always uh, create movies like science fictions, and they try to make understand to the people about the concepts. Sometimes like if I talk about the Marvel movies, so they always create movies science fiction. So cause of science fiction I like those movies. And what about you?
Well, I cannot mention that all Hollywood movies are good as compared to Bollywood movies. Like sometimes Bollywood movies also try to make good movies, and as we can see with the case of the South movies, they are actually very very good. That's why they have a craze amongst ours. And if I talk about some Hollywood movies, then yes, the science fiction concept is also amazing. But apart from that, actually they do not waste time in producing some music and also including some extra songs. So yeah, somewhere people relate with these things that it is illogical. Like apart from it, they both show the same things. And what about your other hobby? So what are you doing nowadays?
Actually, nowadays I am trying to improve my communication skill. That's why I come here at Boston campus, and with that, I am preparing for my exam. And what are you doing nowadays, sir?
Nowadays, I am pursuing BSc for fifth semester, and I'm also improving my English communication. So, which exam are you preparing for?
Okay. Actually, I am preparing for civil service exams, and nowadays, as I told, I'm learning English and I'm trying to improve it because it will help me in a future. And as you said, like you are doing BSc, so who suggested you to come in this field?
Okay, that's good to know that you are preparing for civil services. And if I talk about myself, then yeah, the only motivation for me to pursue BSc was that I had interest in science, and still I do not regret my decision of taking BSc. BSc is a good stream if you have interest in science only, but if you want to apply this science in technology and in real life, then better to go for BTech. And yes, so which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is political science. I love it, and I always study about it. And which is your favorite subject, sir?
Well, my favorite subject is physics. And you mentioned you love political science.
Yes, sir.
So, why do you love political science? And what do you think about history?
Actually, I love political science because in my first year of BA, I chose that subject, and when I started to read it, so I made my interest, and that subject also uh, made that interest. And if I talk about the history, I love history, but not that much as I love political science. So, okay, so let it be, and I ask some casual question to you. So, uh, do you listen all songs?
No, I do not listen to old songs, and also I do not get enough time to listen to songs. So, can I ask some other questions
Yes, you
other
may.
than songs? Yeah. So, I wanted to ask, do you have interest in motorbikes? And which is your favorite motorbike, if so?
Okay. So yes, I have interest and I'm fond of riding motorbike. And my favorite bike is Harley Davidson. I like it, and I always think to purchase it. And in the future, I think it will be purchased by me. And what about you? Do you have also interest about in motorbikes?
Yeah, I also have interest in motorbikes, and yeah, I just came to know that you love Harley Davidson.
Yes.
So I just wanted to know about the price and the model that particular model which you would like to buy.
Actually, at this moment, I lost my train of thought, so I cannot tell you the price and the model of the Harley Davidson because I came to know about it before 1 year ago, and the time I just watched the photos only. Okay, so as you also have interest in a motorbike, so which bike do you like most?
Well, I also love the Harley Davidson the most. The thing is that the look of Harley Davidson is actually the cherry on the cake. And
Yes.
second thing is that the power and the like, overall silencers. So basically, the atmosphere it creates is actually marvelous. And second thing is that people assume Harley Davidson to be a status of richness.
Yes.
So somewhere it also provides the same facility as of owning an iPhone. So
So,
let us talk about mobiles also.
yeah, why not,
Okay.
sir?
So which is your favorite mobile?
Okay.
And also tell me about other mobile options.
Okay, actually, as I have used Motorola, so I love Motorola mobile, and it is very good because according to the study purpose, the battery backup is very good of Motorola. But as I also used Vivo, so Vivo company is good in a mobile, and okay. So somewhere, as every person wants to buy iPhone, so I'm thinking about that. I also think about that to purchase an iPhone. And what about you, sir? Which mobile do you like, and which company do you think like it manufacture good mobile?
I believe Apple provides the quality, and when it comes to providing good features, Apple does not fall behind any company. But the thing is that it sells its mobiles at a very high cost. Even after producing their own mobiles in our own company, they are selling it at a very high price as compared to American versions. Like they are selling their mobiles, which are manufactured in India, in America, at a low price as compared to in our own country. So somewhere I believe they are doing cheating because they know Indians are crazy behind iPhones. So only due to this reason, I believe that other company can also cope up with Apple and they can also enhance their quality. So yeah, well, it was a nice talk, and see you again. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.